In a world where chaos can strike without warning, being prepared isn't optional, it's your ultimate advantage. Today's survival gadgets redefine innovation, blending cutting-edge design, rugged performance, and real-world practicality. In this video, we're revealing 20 of the coolest and smartest survival gadgets every prepper must have, each one designed to keep you ready, resilient, and one step ahead of whatever comes your way. All mentioned product links are in the description below. Number 20. Streamlight Vulcan Clutch. As soon as darkness falls, you need a light that adapts to every situation. With a clamping handle that doubles as a stand and a 340-degree articulating head, it beams exactly where you need it. Packing 1,700 lumens on high or 18-hour runtime on low, it's built tough, waterproof, impact-resistant, and rechargeable. Blue safety LEDs keep you visible, while rugged straps and quick charging make it a survival essential. Number 19. Emergency Fire Blanket. Caught off guard by a sudden blaze, this compact, heat-resistant blanket lets you smother flames within seconds. No mess, no panic. Designed for vehicles, kitchens, or camping setups, it's made from ultra-durable fiberglass that can withstand extreme temperatures without melting. Lightweight, reusable, and easy to deploy, it's a clever, life-saving essential that turns a potential disaster into a quick, controlled response. Number 18. Sangen MMR99. Survive smart with a multifunctional emergency radio that packs AM/FM-RBDS and NOOA weather alerts, plus 45 station presets. Power it via hand crank, solar panel, or USB-C to a built-in lithium battery. It also features an adjustable LED flashlight, red night light, SOS beacon, AUX-in, headphone jack, USB output for charging, and rugged IP55 water/dust resistance, all in a compact, tough-ready design. Number 17. Eberle Stock Hercules Duffel. For missions that push limits, whether tactical, hunting, or survival, the Hercules Duffel is built to endure it all. Its ultra-rugged design packs a 5-inch deep lower compartment for balanced storage, while updated drag handles and a sealed rain cover boost mobility and weather resistance. Inside, loop-backed Male webbing secures every loadout, and the camouflage-inspired pattern blends stealth with serious functionality. Number 16. Cold Steel Spetsnaz. Not many devices are as strong and versatile as this powerhouse when it comes to enduring. Inspired by the legendary Soviet Spetsnaz entrenching design, it features a durable hardwood handle paired with a broad, flat steel blade sharpened on 3 edges. Perfect for digging, chopping, shelter building, or even emergency defense, it doubles as a throwing tool for sport. With a 30-inch length, larger shovel head, and rugged carbon steel build, it's a smart upgrade for any survival kit. Number 15. Cambivo Knee Braces. Pushing your limits in training, or the wild demands serious knee protection. Engineered for endurance and stability, these high-performance knee supports feature a compression pad that stabilizes the patella and absorbs shock during intense action, be it hiking, running, or tactical drills. With a double-strap adjustable design and breathable anti-slip fabric, they deliver all-day comfort, enhanced mobility, and protection built for tough conditions. Number 14. Axis Lock Pocket Knife. A premium D2 steel blades razor-sharp edge, 60 to 62 HRC hardness, and exceptional wear resistance provide the power and precision needed for difficult tasks. The ambidextrous crossbar lock with ceramic bearings ensures smooth one-handed action, while the G10 handle provides a secure 4-finger grip even with gloves. Built for slicing, skinning, and precision cuts, it's a rugged yet refined EDC essential. Number 13. Mini Trauma Aid Kit. Having life-saving gear within reach can mean everything when every second counts. Built for maximum portability, it packs the same critical medical essentials found in full-sized first aid kits, but in a much smaller form factor, perfect for daily carry. Pair it with a dedicated tourniquet holder for added readiness, and you've got a compact, space-saving solution to handle severe injuries in survival or tactical situations. Number 12. Dark Heat Tactical Outerwear. Where adventure meets style, this tactical jacket transforms into your ultimate shield. Designed for all seasons, it features advanced dark heat technology and 4-way stretch waterproof fabric that adapts to any climate. With 14 utility pockets, a hidden laptop compartment, and a magnetic quick access system, it keeps your essentials organized and within reach. Thermoreactive, breathable, and ultra-durable, it's built for explorers who demand performance and precision. Number 11. Ferro-Fire Fire Starter. Light your survival game on fire with a compact ferro rod that delivers over 15,000 blazing sparks and weighs just 2.6 ounces. Its 4-edged carbon steel striker cuts through any weather, even with gloves on. The reflective 550 paracord doubles as a 5.2-foot survival cord, perfect for shelter, fishing, or first aid. Built from premium ferrocerium, it ignites damp tinder instantly. Small in size, massive in reliability. Number 10. Seahorse Dry Box Case. Gear protectors fall short when survival demands tough dependability. Designed for firearms, drones, and camera equipment, it keeps your essentials safe through travel and harsh conditions. With TSA approval, ATA 300 rating, and lock-ready eyelets, your valuables stay secure in transit. Smooth glide wheels, a pull handle, and side grips make transport effortless, while waterproof, dustproof, and crush-proof construction ensures your mission-critical gear survives anywhere. Number 9. Leatherman Signal. A smart, reliable tool that has all the features you need to survive in a small package is what you need in the wild. With 19 functions tucked into a 4.5-inch frame, it equips you with a fire-starting ferro rod, 420HC combo blade, and an emergency whistle. A built-in hammer secures tent stakes, while the customizable bit driver keeps gear tight. Compact, versatile, and always ready. Your smartest adventure companion. Number 8. Rhino USA Soft Shackle. In off-road recovery, every second counts, and so does safety. That's where this high-strength soft shackle comes in, delivering secure, flexible, and lightweight towing power for trucks, ATVs, and UTVs. Crafted from anti-scratch synthetic fiber, it safeguards your vehicle's surface while handling serious tension. Easy to loop, tighten, and deploy, it's a modern upgrade to heavy D-rings, built for quick, efficient recoveries anywhere. Number 7. Helmet-mounted flashlight. Power through the dark with precision lighting built for pros. This helmet-mounted flashlight packs 360 lumens on high, 180 on low, and a 30-lumen endurance mode for extended use. Its secure rubber foot clamp fits any hard hat or helmet, while the multi-angle mount lets you aim light exactly where you need it. Fully IPX7 waterproof, impact-resistant, and equipped with a rear green LED, it's made for demanding field operations and outdoor adventures. Number 6. CC Mini Chainsaw. Cut through obstacles with ease using a compact one-hand chainsaw that weighs just 2.6 pounds and packs serious power. Its high-torque motor slices 6-inch logs in seconds, while dual rechargeable batteries keep you powered longer with overload and heat protection. Fully assembled and ready to go, it's perfect for campers, adventurers, and off-grid explorers who need fast, portable cutting strength wherever they go. Number 5. Rocky Talkie. In unforgiving terrain where every signal counts, stay connected with a rugged long-range FRS radio built for survival. It delivers up to 35 miles of range with 2-watt legal power, and its lithium-ion battery keeps you powered for over 4 days. even in freezing -20 degrees Fahrenheit conditions. Featuring a shatterproof LED screen, IP56 waterproof build, and climbing-rated carabiner mount, it's the ultimate lifeline for the wild. Number 4. Messermeister Chef Summit Set. Turn any wilderness into your personal kitchen with a rugged 6-piece culinary kit built for the wild. Designed for explorers who refuse to settle for canned meals, it packs a folding chef's and fillet knife, steak knife, peeler, fork, spoon, cutting board, and waxed canvas case. With carbonized maple handles and German stainless steel blades, it's sharp, durable, and made to turn survival cooking into an art form. Number 3. Quick Light TAQ Wallet. More than just a wallet, it's a covert survival toolkit built into your everyday carry. Wrapped in a rugged aluminum and steel frame, it hides a rechargeable flashlight with adjustable brightness and strobe, RFID protection, a money clip, bottle opener, and even a glass breaker. While not a minimalist choice, it's the perfect gear for anyone who wants emergency-ready tools without lugging a bulky backpack. Number 2. Thermomex Jump Starter. This all-in-one lifesaver has you covered when every second counts. Combining a powerful tire inflator with a 6,000-amp jump starter, it effortlessly revives dead engines and inflates tires up to 160 pounds per square inch in minutes. The built-in 26,800 milliamp-hour battery doubles as a 65-watt fast-charging power bank, while the 4-mode LED light keeps you safe in any roadside or survival scenario. A smart, rugged essential for every adventurer. Number 1. Trekking Poles. Built for explorers who push past the limits, these ultra-light carbon fiber trekking poles deliver unmatched strength and agility on any terrain. Weighing less than a smartphone, they fold down fast with a Z-shaped 5-section design for easy carry. The quick lock system snaps securely into place, while the EVA anti-slip handles keep your grip steady through rain, snow, or rocky ground. Perfect for survivalists conquering the wild. And that's a wrap on today's lineup of next-level survival gear. Which one's making it into your pack first? Drop your pick in the comments, hit that like button if you enjoyed the list, and don't forget to subscribe. More epic gear drops are coming your way soon.